Yun, so good morning guys. So ngayon is our second day, kumbaga. Second day ba? Anyway, we'll have our buffet breakfast restaurant down there. And kasali yun sa package, actually sa room. If you get a room, you will have a free breakfast, diba? And buffet siya guys ha. So hopefully may ano bang, may bacon, may corned beef and eggs, diba? Hopefully they have that, and danggit, probably some danggit, diba? But we'll check it out in a while. So for now, we'll just enjoy some view of the sea again, diba? So maybe we'll take a dip in their swimming pool later. So check it out, guys. Stay tuned, kumbaga. Stay tuned. Activities natin here at the Best Western Plus Hotel, Ivywall. Yun yung complete niya na name, guys. There's an Ivywall Panglao Resort. Yun. Hopefully I got that right. The Ivywall Panglao. Yun. Hindi masyadong mainit, guys. As you can see, it's a bit cloudy, not so hot, diba? So it's ideal to swim. So definitely we will swim there, diba? It's like tinatawag tayong swimming pool or sa beach, ayos din. So depende. So we'll just have our breakfast first, then we'll choose, or why not both, diba? Swimming pool and then the beach, diba? Ayos. Yo, what's up? So we are going to have our breakfast here at their Terraza Cafe. So buffet breakfast siya, guys. Yeah, I just checked out the menu, so you're gonna check the menu with me, diba, sa buffet table, and let's eat breakfast together, guys. So hopefully we'll have a good breakfast and we'll enjoy our meal, diba? And hopefully it tastes good, diba? So let's go, guys. Let's check it out. Spotted an artist here. Dried nuts, fruit, assorted cheese. Nice. Then cold cuts, some cereals and milk. May danggit sa. So just as I imagined, guys, there's danggit, dried fish, bacon, or kumba, then there's fish, mac and cheese, parang oil, no? Chicken chop soup, omelette, pancakes, hard-boiled egg, bread, and jam. Pancakes, syrup, some soup, noodle soup, and congee. Bacon.
Bacon and it.
Nice. Let's eat. Bon appetit. Happy birthday. Finished our breakfast at Alona. Alona pala yun guys, hindi siya terraza. Terraza is yung nasa taas. So we just had our breakfast sa Alona. Yun. So, ay, Alon day. And it was a good breakfast. Diba? Eggs, bacon, bumba, fish, big mac and cheese, and ano pa? Danggit. So, yeah. So it was a good breakfast, guys, definitely, and it's part of the package, diba? So it's for me, it's very sulit na, diba? So yeah, busog kami, guys. Busog kami dun sa breakfast, and now we are going to have a swim in their swimming pool there. So we'll try their swimming pool, guys. Maybe doon lang tayo sa pambata. Ooh, yeah. We'll try the swimming pool. So, hindi masyadong malaki yung swimming pool, guys. But, there's this swimming pool and I think yung adults. Yeah. So, may part na landong pa. Landong is, I don't know in Tagalog. May Tagalog sa landong. Yeah. May part na hindi pa mainit. So, definitely we will have a swim there. So, it's good. So, yeah. Let's take our swim. Yo, so we're here at the Best Western Plus Hotel in Panglao, Bohol. So as you can see, napakaganda ng pool, guys. Napaka-refreshing and napakalamig. Yun, diba? So we'll just take a swim, guys. So let's enjoy the swimming pool. Yun, and let's enjoy. It's almost summer, diba? So it's a good time to enjoy, to relax, and take that plunge, diba? Kumbaga. So yun, that's it. So, I'll see you again in my next vlog. my subscribers. 360 subscribers.
Wow, congrats!
361 na data, guys. And
Congrats!
thank you so much for subscribing and for supporting my channel. And I hope I see you again in my upcoming videos, guys. We still have a lot of videos to come. Mga adventure, mga money making, food vlogs, and a lot more, diba? So guys, once again, thank you very much. So shout out sa ng mga subscribers, especially kay Sir Kenneth of Clarit. Sir, thank you very much. And if you want to be, kung gusto nyo magpa-shout out, guys, please just comment down below, diba? So read and reply to each comment that you have, guys. So hopefully I see you in my comment section. So yes, thank you very much, guys, and have a good day.